Hi guys, and welcome back to Prosys OPC's YouTube channel. I'm Ivo, and in today's video we will explore how to configure redundant data sources in Forge to ensure consistent data availability and reliability. Here we go. In this demonstration, I will configure two simulation servers to be redundant. This is not the real case in this scenario. These simulation servers won't be a redundant pair, but they have similar namespaces, so this redundant configuration will work as an example. So for that reason, I have connected my Forge to my local simulation server right here, and then I have also created connection to our public UA demo simulation server. Then we are ready to start configuring. So I will start this redundancy module and I will navigate to there, and then I will create a new group which I will name simulation server. I don't actually configure these servers to be redundant, but I will select namespaces from these servers to be redundant, and I will select these namespaces which have the simulation node. So it's this one, which is from my local simulation server. I can add that one. So that's the primary namespace, and then I will select the same namespace from the UA demo server. So it is right here. And I press the plus sign again, and I have configured now this pair. And I can add this configuration. And now the redundant configuration is ready. And next we will demonstrate how this works during the connection loss. And in this configuration, I will monitor data from my local simulation server, like this. And I start receiving the value. And then I will close my simulation server to demonstrate a scenario with the connection loss. And if I now close the simulation server, we see a short connection loss here, but then the data will be recovered. And during this process, what Forge does is that it will change the data to come from the UA demo namespace with the same node ID, which is now this 1003. And in this case, these are not real redundant servers, but because they have so similar namespaces, this works as an example. And if I now start my local simulation server again, Forge will automatically change back to this local simulation server and change the data to come from this. Like that. And we have had a continuous data flow with this redundant configuration. That is all for today's tutorial, where we configured redundant data sources and demonstrated how they function during connection losses. In our next video, we will cover some essential topics, including how to update Forge and upgrade your Forge license. Thanks for checking out Forge with us. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content. We would love to hear your feedback, so drop us a comment below or reach out using the info in the description box. Until next time.